This video will literally blow your mind. One of these videos is fake. Can you tell which one? If you guessed wrong, you need to watch this. And if you're scrolling past this, you're making a huge mistake. Because deepfake technology is literally rewriting reality, and you probably fell for one today without even knowing it. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and in the next 90 seconds, I'll show you exactly why this should terrify and excite you. First, the absolutely terrifying part that'll keep you up at night. Fake videos of world leaders starting wars. Your grandma getting scammed by your cloned voice. Stock markets crashing from fake CEO announcements. But here's the craziest part. We might stop believing real videos too. Like, what if everything becomes sus? And yeah, there's some really dark stuff happening to women with this tech that I can't even show you here. But wait, plot twist. This same technology is absolutely mind-blowing for good stuff. Movies where actors speak perfect Japanese, bringing historical figures back to life, helping people who lost their voice, small creators making Hollywood-level content. The possibilities are literally endless. So should you panic? No. Should you be smart? Absolutely. Here's your 3-step survival guide. 1. AI detection tools are getting better. 2. Laws are being made. 3. You need to level up your BS detector. Don't just share random videos. Check sources. Question everything. Be the smart friend in your group. By the way, that opening video, both were fake. Mind =sign blown. If this blew your mind, smash that like button. Subscribe for more tech secrets they don't want you to know. And comment below. Are you team excited or team terrified? Trust nothing. Verify everything. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and I'll see you in the next viral video.